let me ask you something. Would you trust an AI to help treat your heart? That question used to sound like science fiction, but now it's becoming very real part of cardiology care. And according to the Mayo Clinic, it might actually save lives. So what's happening and what should you know as a patient? Let's start with this. Cardiology is overloaded. Doctors are juggling ECGs, lab values, imaging, risk scores, and trying to spot patterns in all of this is a lot. AI isn't replacing the doctor, it's helping them see what the human eye might miss. According to the Mayo Clinic, artificial intelligence is already being used to detect things like silent atrial fibrillation, low ejection fraction, and even predicting future cardiac events, all from a standard ECG. Think about that. A tool that you can get simply and quickly now can help forecast your risk before symptoms even show up. Here's a great example. Researchers trained a neural network to analyze ECGs and detect signs of low heart pump function. That's something you usually need an ultrasound to find or an echocardiogram. But with AI, it could be flagged in seconds without any added cost or effort. Now, is this perfect? Of course not. There are still questions about false positive, bias in training data, and how this tech actually works across different populations. But when used carefully, it can be an incredibly powerful second set of eyes, or a trigger for us to look closer. And here's my take. I believe AI has a place in modern cardiology, but never without the context of a trained clinician. It's a tool, a powerful one, but like any tool, it depends on who is using it and how they use it. I also believe that the best care still starts with a conversation. AI might help us find problems earlier, but empathy, understanding, and human judgment, that's still our job. And it's not going away anytime soon. So if your doctor tells you an AI flagged something on your test, don't panic. It's not science fiction, it's science working smarter. And if you have questions about how this technology fits into your care, ask. You deserve to understand every tool being used to protect your heart. Follow for more insights on how medicine is changing and how to stay informed through it all. And if you want to keep learning, click somewhere on the screen. We'll drop some links for you to follow to more videos.